Come on, come on. Pump. Keep on pumping, guys. We need to hit that 200k market cap, bro. We're gonna make it, bro. Holy, I'm actually gonna retire my family with this. Okay, there's gonna be a big sell-off, but it'll come back stronger. Okay, go back to the website, click the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Come on. The money should be in our wallet anytime now. Oh my god, we just made. Just look at all this money I made from launching hundreds of meme coins, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do the same thing. So you guys know what meme coins are. I'm probably sure you guys trade them, or you've seen 1,000 videos of guys showing you strategies on how to make money off of trading them, like for example Orangey. The thing that they don't want you to know is that what they do is they put their wallet in servers for free, and then everyone takes their wallet, and then they just get a ton of people who copy trade them. When Orangey for example buys, say here, the coin will be instantly pumped the fuck up by all of the people who are tracking his wallet. And then Orangey can legit just sell on everybody who just bought. So that's why trading coins is not a viable solution. Now, if you want to be the true person who is in control of these coins, I suggest, and this is what I'm about to show you guys in today's video, what we do is we create coins super low and then wait for buyers to pull in, and then just remove liquidity and walk away with thousands of dollars. It's as simple as that. Now, how are you guys going to do this? We're going to go over to coinlabs.fun. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with this website in any shape or form. I just really support it, and this is the website where I made most of my coins and most of my money. Now, this is the only website on YouTube that is legit that I've seen so far, and the reason why it's so good is for a couple of reasons. First, it requires no coding. Second, it is seamless, so you just need to collect your wallet and then create your token name, all that good stuff. Now third, your coin, when it is created, it goes instantly to the Radium liquidity pool. Now, what is the Radium liquidity pool, you might ask? Well, it's basically the liquidity pool where all the big coins such as Doge, Dog with Hat, Hasbullah's Cat, Peanut, all those OG meme coins are on. So that is why it is important, and this is why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun, because these coins that are created every single second are complete dog shit. And another reason why is that when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, you have to wait for your coin to hit a $90,000 liquidity pool for the bonding curve to happen. So what it means is that your liquidity will go from Pump.Fun. And why is it good to be on Radium? Well, this is where you guys will make the most amount of money. This section, the graduated section, is where you can get the most amount of views on your coin, which means that you'll get way more eyeballs, way more traction, and way more buys. Now the ways you guys can make money is by going on the copy trending coins. Now this is my favorite way to make money. All you have to do, you find a coin that has a market cap of over $30,000, and then my second strategy for you is a coin that has a last bought under 15 seconds, which makes it relevant. And guys, keep refreshing the list, because I'm telling you guys, there are new coins created left and right. And now the third strategy I use is if it has a good narrative. So for example, July 4th, like you have to have, the war between Israel and Iran that might start sooner or later, no one knows. But this narrative is very good as it is because it is a very hot subject right now. Now we're gonna create a coin for this video. I'm gonna be giving you guys a quick little tutorial. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a coin. It's called Free Wealth. I just came up with it. It's just a demo, guys, so don't take it serious. Token image, let me get that real quick. Screenshot of Hasbullah's coin, whatever. Okay, total supply, keep it at 1 billion. You can put it to 900 million if you please. That means that 900 million coins will be available to the public to buy. but 10% will stay in your wallet. So the liquidity of the coin, 10% of that will stay in your wallet, which means that you won't lose it and is super safe. Then for the token description, write anything you please. All right, write whatever the coin is. Now next, for the website, Twitter, Telegram, if your narrative came from Twitter, copy paste that link right here. And then for here, the modify creator section, modify creator information, just keep these all selected, as they will improve the legitimacy of your coins. Now another thing to keep in mind, you also need to select a wallet to link to the website, and there will be pop-ups when you first create the token. Keep going, it is normal and is super safe, and I've more than 100 coins on this website. So I hope this video helped you guys out on how you can actually create these coins for yourself. And if you enjoyed the video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Everything is in the description. I even have a Telegram that I just started up with job applications if you guys want to work for me. What else? Oh yeah, we are doing giveaways for like a couple Solana. Just keep everything in mind. Just join that juicy Telegram in the description, and peace.